Hi friends, in this video I'm going to talk about the do-while loop. Now let's get started. Let's say I initialize a variable called I and we let it have the value 0. So now to write a do-while loop, we first type do with curly brackets, press enter. So now you have to tell the compiler what you actually want to do. So let's say we're going to print out hello world, and we have to add a while after the do. So we can just put while and put like I is less than 5. Now let me tell you what does this mean. This basically means that the compiler is going to print out hello world and it's going to keep on printing it out if this condition is true. So while I is less than 5, it will keep on printing out hello world. But if I is greater and equal to 5, it will break everything and the program will stop. So now if I just leave it like this will make an infinite loop because I will always be 0 and this condition will always be true. So if I just print it out, infinite loop is produced. So just break it. So what we actually need to do is just increment I by 1. So that means hello world is produced until I is greater and equal to 5, then it will stop being produced. If I just print that out, you'll see hello world is produced 5 times. This is because the first time is because I is 0, then I is 1, then I is 2, 3, and 4. And when I is 5, this condition is false, so everything will be broken. Now you may ask me, this do while loop, can't you just leave it to just be a while loop? And yes, I agree you can do that. But the thing about do while loop is that even if you like initialize it to store the value 100, no matter what, everything inside the do statement will still be done at least once. So basically this is what's going to occur. The computer will see, okay, you have stored the value 100 inside I. And I'm telling the computer to print out hello world and increment I by 1. So the computer prints out hello world and increments I by 1. But then after the do statement, it'll then see to continue repeating everything inside the do statement, I must be less than 5. But since I is actually now is going to be 101, the condition will be false. So everything will be broken. But it will still print out hello world at first. So that is why hello world is produced once. Let me show you. As you can see, hello world is still produced because no matter what, you'll still do everything inside the do statement at least once. Okay, that's it for this video. I hope this video has been helpful. Please like and subscribe if it's helpful. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.